Guys, we're gonna be doing something new called Weekly Puppy Review. So, you remember me, Dog Appa, if you've seen the amazing Appa puppy. So, there's a couple tricks. Sit, Appa, shake, Appa, good boy, Appa, Appa, shake, shake, good boy. Alright, you get your treat. Alright, Appa, see the ball. Appa, Appa, Appa. There he goes into the distance. Now he comes back from the distance, not knowing what he's going to do with the ball. Hey. No fact, he doesn't know how to freaking share. Give me the dang thing. Give me the dang ball. Appa. Alright, so after 5 minutes of trying to get the freaking ball from Appa, I finally got it. Now go off. Look at this beautiful dog chasing the ball. Comes back to me, looks at some lady. Now give me the freaking ball. Look at the pretty camera. Give me the ball, freaking. Alright, we're back in my garage with Appa. His ball still in his mouth. I guess I've got the freaking ball that he ripped from him. Alright. Hey, Appa. Hey, but oh. Oh, son of, oh God, why?